My name's Josh Janicek. I'm from Idaho. I got started welding in high school. First time you do it, you're like, holy hell, it's hot, it's bright, it's like, whoa, it's very loud. And it's kind of like an assault on the senses. And the first time I did it, I was like, this is pretty fun. All that noise fades and you're just looking at what you're building. And you can kind of see it in your mind. You can see the final form of what you want it to be. But then you start that weld, it goes dark, and you can only see the puddle of molten metal that's created. It's almost like getting sucked into the puddle. It's kind of comforting. When that light comes on, it's almost like there's nobody else in the shop, it's just me. I'm just so focused and so comfortable in the darkness of my hood with the single bright light emanating from my TIG torch that it just draws your eyes straight there. And as you start to get used to that, it gets to the point where you don't have to think about it anymore. You're so pulled in and so used to it that you can move the puddle around like it's your finger. I think there's something to be said for that ability to focus on something and look at it and go, what does it need? There's something about being able to tell when something is pulling you, when something is shouting for your attention. And I think being able to recognize that and follow it is valuable. I'm Josh, and welding is my practice of attention.